This week's feast.
Coffee jelly. Big thanks to Starbucks for making this video possible.
Hey, Wim, you're back from China. How was it?
It was so good. The food was amazing, but the time zone changes are pretty crazy.
You need a little pick-me-up.
Yes.
Let me go get you something.
Okay.
Hi, can I get 2 Nitro Cold Brews, please? Thank you. Here we go.
Ooh, what is this? This is amazing. Hey, you know what this reminds me of?
What's that?
In Asia, you can get this coffee jelly in all these places, but I can't find it anywhere in the US.
We should totally make it.
Yeah, this would be the perfect thing to use as an ingredient too.
Let's do it.
Let's. Cheers. Okay, so when I was emailing back and forth with Starbucks, I asked them if they had any footage we could use of this incredible tasting Nitro Cold Brew, and boy, did they deliver.
Nitro Cold Brew.
Look at it! Check out those cascading nitrogen-infused microbubbles. This coffee is never heated. It's slow steeped over 20 hours to get an absolutely supreme coffee quality. That means that less acid is extracted, so this Nitro Cold Brew has a subtly sweet taste. It made me go whoa the first time I drank it. And to top it all off, it's poured fresh and cold from a tap every single time you order it. It feels pretty cool to do in the store. Let's just take one more second to gush over this incredible footage. Okay, back to the show. We here at Feast of Fiction love to make cooking easier and more accessible to everyone. And this Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew is the perfect ingredient for us to experiment with. So let's take this drink into the kitchen and keep the magic going. Begin prepping gelatin and water, letting it bloom for 3 to 5 minutes. This will let it dissolve and heat much more evenly later, and the last thing you want is to spoil the pure liquid quality of the Nitro Cold Brew. Add in your drink, stir this all together loosely, and transfer it to a low heat, just until the gelatin melts into the liquid. From there, wait for the bubbles to mostly dissolve and subside, then ladle this into whatever you want to serve the gelatin in. Poke away at any remaining air bubbles, and carefully move your containers to the fridge to harden. No good coffee jelly is complete without a whipped cream topping, so add heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla extract to a stand mixer, and begin to beat on medium-low speed until stiff peaks form. Perfect. Spoon this into a piping bag and get to work on the coffee jelly. Decorate it however you want. And voila! I love different fun ways to drink coffee, and this recipe takes the cake for hot summer days. Coffee jelly, just the way you've seen it in anime and Asian culture. So take a load off or get ready for the day. This Nitro Cold Brew coffee jelly has got your back either way. Look at these!
Ooh, these look great.
Nitro boosted.
But the real test.
Is it yet to come?
Do they taste great? Ooh, yeah.
Whoa. Whoa!
Whoa, this
Onto
is
this jelly.
great.
This is
I'm
cool.
smearing around my cream here.
Just get it all over. I mean, why not? I really love the cream on top. This is exactly like the ones I would find in Asia too.
Wow. We nailed it!
Actually, I think this tastes better. 100% better.
Wow.
Coffee
It has to
jelly.
taste totally better.
You know I love coffee. I'll ingest it anyway. But this might be my favorite. It was great. Perfect consistency. And they made this jelly. I love jelly. It's fun to eat, and it's gonna keep me awake for the rest of the day. Look at that though. Just great looking. Tastes good. Good consistency.
Yep. Consistency is great. Who knew you can make coffee jelly?
I did, because I saw it in Asia, and now we recreated it here. And it's perfect.
It tastes so good. Another feast well done.
And a big thank you to Starbucks for sponsoring the video. We love doing sponsored videos and branded stuff on the channel because it gives us a chance to flex our creativity and imbibe some of our pre-existing recipes with a new element in it that I think made this recipe so much better.
So much better. So you guys better go out and get you some Nitro Cold Brew to whip this guy up.
Well, I've just been, in preparing for this recipe in this video, I've just been drinking Nitro Cold Brew every single day because I love coffee and I normally drink regular coffee or I make it a latte and stuff. So actually having this option has been great for me. It's been awesome to like try something new out.
It's such a simple recipe. What are there, like 3 ingredients?
Yeah, very, very simple. And you can make it at home with your friends. It's perfect for the summer. It's refreshing, it's delightful, and filled with that favorite thing of mine, caffeine. Great recipe. Thank you again, Starbucks, for sponsoring the video, and we can't wait to make more awesome stuff like it. So leave a comment below if you know what we should make next on the show.
And as always, subscribe to everything. And we'll see you next time.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.